Hey guys, what's up? It's Stu and
Liam.
And today we are doing something a little different. We are doing a cooking challenge. Yeah. So my brother came up with this challenge for everybody in the family to do. We do a bi-weekly Zoom meeting and we always have a challenge that everybody has to do. So we decided to do a chopped cooking challenge. So he gave us 4 ingredients and we have to make a meal out of it. This project is due tomorrow and we're doing it today. But the ingredients that he picked are maple syrup, zucchini, chicken breast, and salt and vinegar chips. So we've got an idea for a meal using these ingredients and some others. And we thought we would bring you along as we cook this incredible meal. Right?
Right.
Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is prepare the sauce for the chicken. We are going to make a maple Dijon sauce. And it's not really a marinade, but Amy's out shopping, so we're going to make the sauce now and let the chicken sit in it for a little bit so that when Amy comes home, we can throw the chicken on the grill and start cooking the chicken. So we're going to make the sauce. So the first thing we're going to need is a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Does that smell good? Smells good, huh?
Yeah.
And then we're going to need a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. Mustard in there like that. That's probably... Alright, so 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Alexa, shut up. Okay, and then garlic. It says 2 cloves. I don't know how much a clove is, so I'm gonna guess. Let's just do 2 teaspoons. You can never have too much garlic. And now we shall mix the sauce. And Liam's gonna mix it for us for a bit. You gotta mix it all good. Get the sides. That actually smells pretty good.
Yeah, I can smell it. Mixer, get inside.
Okay, so now that we've got our sauce made, we are going to prepare the chicken. I'm gonna cut the chicken breasts in half and we're gonna kind of pound them out so they're a little flat.
Kicking the chicken's butt. Kicking the chicken's butt. Can I?
Cut these in half. And we're just gonna pound these chicken breasts so that they're a little bit more flat. You wanna smash it?
Yeah.
Okay, come smash it.
Chicken.
Okay, my turn.
Much later.
And once we've done that, we're just gonna score it a little bit. Like so. So that all the juice can go inside. Now we're just gonna probably get a big spoon. Better yet, we'll just use our hands.
Oh. I think that might taste good.
Looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
All right, now my hands are dirty. All right, the chicken is all cut up and soaking in the sauce. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for a few minutes until Amy gets home, and then we'll throw it on the grill when we're ready to start cooking it. So as part of our prep, the next thing we're gonna do is we're going to crush some salt and vinegar chips. We're gonna be making some zucchini chips with these zucchinis. We'll do like a flour egg wash, and then we're gonna dip them in salt and vinegar chips instead of breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna fry them. So we have zucchini, like breaded zucchini chips. So here we go. So I've got the chips crushed. I have a feeling I might need more. I don't know if that'll be enough. We'll see. I think we're only going to do 1 zucchini because we probably won't eat that much. So we're going to cut these into little chip size, dip them in some flour, then dip them in an egg wash, and then dip them in the chips. And Liam has arrived with the paper towel.
Yeah.
It only took you 2 hours to find it.
Liam, I need some new flippy floppies.
Clean this guy first. And we'll let that get up to temperature. We want 400 degrees. Next thing we want to do is get some oil into this pan so we can fry the zucchini. And I'm just going to put enough so that they can sit and fry, not too thick. So you put it in the flour. Probably should use a fork. And then dip it in the egg.
Oh, I'm getting dipped in the egg. I feel
And then dip it in the chippies.
it's a good idea.
Like that. I don't know how well those are going to turn out, but now we got to do all the rest.
I am the mom. And you are the Padawan. Shut up.
Amy's talking about Padawans. Nerd! All right, we're going to go put this chicken on the grill. Let's hope these taste good. Smells good. All right, it's time to flip. At least I think it is. Let's go see how Mom and Liam are doing. Almost there? Ooh, looking good though. Smells good in here.
Don't ask what happened to the first one.
Did you eat it? How was it? Honest opinion.
It was really good.
Was it? With the salt and vinegar chips?
Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad. Look, there's no more zucchini
Oh.
on there.
Good job. I'm gonna go check on Aiden. He hasn't been in our video yet. We have to check on him. It's a wild Aiden! What are you watching on the TV?
What were you doing?
What am I doing? I'm making dinner. We're gonna have chicken and zucchini chips. Does that sound good?
Yeah, my own.
You watching your show? Yeah. You want to say anything to everybody out there?
My own coming off.
Your ouchies are coming off. I hope not. The chicken is out. I'm hoping it's cooked. It looks cooked. I'm a terrible cooker of chicken. I don't do it often. In fact, I will buy my chicken pre-cooked if I have to. But it's been on there long enough, so we're going to go inside, snap a picture, and eat this stuff. We are going to plate this. Gotta find a good piece of chicken. I like this one right here. It's gotta be just like that. As you notice, the plate has a chip in it, giving it character.
I didn't realize I had your head cut off.
What?
Dude, it's...
Lager.
Yes. I was watching you and not watching the video. Worst vlogger ever. We should have gotten like a garnish, like a sprig of something.
I'd love to see your reaction to a piece of chicken. Does it look cooked?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That's good.
You like it? All right, now how about a zucchini chip?
How did it taste?
Is it good with the sweet and sour chips? Nice. All right, now we're gonna get Liam's reaction right after we bless the food. Hold on. All right, Liam's gonna try some chicken real quick. Let's see your reaction to chicken. What do you think?
Tastes like chicken.
Hey, You drunk some of my Coke.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ha 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 ha.
All right, now it's my turn to try. You give me a little fork.
Oh, my God, Aiden.
I don't want a little fork. I want a big fork because I'm a big boy. Give me a big fork, please. There you go.
Don't steal Aiden's chocolate milk.
Okay.
Maybe
Hey,
mommy.
this chicken looks pretty nice and moist. Moist.
Moist and tender, right off your fender.
Huh. That's pretty good.
I got some chicken. It's kind of good.
Yeah. Maple Dijon sauce.
Can't really taste the other.
I think the Dijon comes out the most. You get a little bit of the maple right at the end. It's pretty good.
And then you can't even see the other ingredients.
No, just garlic and soy sauce. Now we're gonna try a zucchini chip that has been fried or battered in salt and vinegar chips and then fried.
How do you like it? I like it.
It's good. You can't really taste the salt and vinegar anymore. It's kind of lost its salt and vinegar flavoring. All right, Liam's gonna try a zucchini chip. What?
Kind of weird.
Kind of weird?
Yeah.
It's good though, huh? Eat the rest. Hey, you're awesome for trying. High five. And you have to eat the rest of them. Haha. All right, Aiden. We need to get your review of dinner. How's dinner?
No.
How good? How is it?
Not good.
It's not good. How come? Do you not like it? You are giving me the biggest stink eye. It's because I turned off your show, isn't it? Do you like the chicken?
Yeah.
What about the zucchini chips? You like the zucchini chips?
No.
You don't?
Good, I'll eat them all for you.
Mommy and Daddy really like them. They're really yummy in our tummy. And that is it. That is everybody's thoughts of dinner. So the 4 ingredients that we started off with were maple syrup, salt and vinegar chips, zucchini, and chicken. And we turned it into this delicious grilled chicken and zucchini, like fried zucchini dish. And everybody seemed to like it, even though Liam is just sitting there like a zombie, chewing on his food. He's so out of it. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Short one today, no vlog, just this. Hope you had a good weekend, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!